Hello everyone, this is Molly Iqbal of class 10 and I'm your reporter for this week of Campus Chronicles. So, let us together visit the campus and collect the glimpses of the campus.
The inter-school will be held in our campus only.
Arm wrestling is one such game that you can find anywhere and everywhere, amongst boys especially. Now, it is loved by girls also. And so to promote these regional games, arm wrestling camp training was organized by Arm Wrestling Association of Bareilly in Madras India Public School. We can see that children are very excited and enthusiastic. After all, why wouldn't they be? It's our dear and loved game of arm wrestling. Look, the girls are also participating. This proves that arm wrestling may be dominated by boys but isn't just for boys.
A very good morning to everyone. Learning through audiovisual is always fun for students. So, to enhance the learning of the students, the school has arranged an audiovisual 3D movie. So, here you can see all the students are enjoying this movie. Now, the students are watching the third 3D movie, that is Shark. As you can see, all are so engrossed in the movie and they all are watching with full enthusiasm. You can see the
Now
faces
the
of the
bad
students.
people in the ship
They are so happy
capture
to
the
see
only remaining
this
boy and girl also.
We can see that the students are thrilled and excited. There were three 3D short films shown to them. One was related to dinosaurs, the other was of sharks, and one was on our dear Chandrayaan. Look at those excited and happy crowd. Movies are definitely not only a source of entertainment but also a door to the contemporary world and society. Movies are the most famous leisure that is loved by all. So, a movie was shown to the classes 1st to 8th for educational purposes and also entertainment purposes. How was the movie?
The movie was quite interesting and I found it very good.
What have you learned from the movie?
I have learned about the Chandrayaan mission, the African game, and about dinosaurs.
Mother, an angel on the earth. Mother, the substitute of God on earth. Mother, the beginning of life. Mother, the reason we survive. So Mother's Day, which is celebrated on second Sunday of May, becomes one of the most auspicious and significant day on earth. Mother's Day, which will be celebrated on the upcoming week, and the practice for the same is going on. There are classes 7th, 8th and 9th which are practicing for the beautiful celebration of one of the most important days, Mother's Day. Mother, an angel on the earth. Mother, the substitute of God on earth. Mother, the beginning of life. Mother, the reason we survive. So, Mother's Day, which is celebrated on second Sunday of May, becomes one of the most auspicious and significant day on earth. Mother's Day, which will be celebrated on the upcoming week of May, have started. So definitely the students must have started counting the days on their fingers. So an activity related to the same was organized in our school. Classes, prep and nursery dressed up as different things and items or clothes we wear and use in summer. Holidays bring different level of excitements. Getting up late, watching movies, no restrictions, no boundaries. And if you talk about this happiness of little students of class nursery and prep, excitement knows no boundaries. Holidays bring different level of excitement. Getting up late, watching movies, no restrictions, no boundaries. And if you talk about this thing in the classes of prep and nursery, the excitement level knows no boundaries. A health-related quiz named "कौन बनेगा स्वास्थ्य रक्षक" was organized in our campus, Madras India Public School, for educational purposes. A questionnaire was asked to class 11th and 12th students by KL Jagat, in which crucial healthcare-related questions were asked to increase awareness of various healthcare measures among the students. Contestants from different schools have come up to test their endurance and prove them potential over the opponent. We can see contestants from Bedi International School, Lions Rohila Inter College, Bluebird Bareilly School, Sacred Heart School Bareilly, Sabri Public School, Madras India Public School. Arm wrestling, a sport, requires technique and endurance. Two contestants grip each other's hand and tries to overcome the strength of the other. This sport is usually played by everyone in their childhood, not only by boys but also by girls. So, before formally starting the championship, Blessings of Goddess Saraswati was evoked by. So, before formally starting the championship, Blessings of Goddess Saraswati was evoked by the lighting of lamp and by paying floral tribute. We can see that little students are also participating, and our Madras India Public School students are also there. It's really nice and proud to see that small children are encouraged to participate in such regional games.
We are proceeding to the much awaited movement of the day, prize distribution ceremony.
In 55 kgs,
To
the
facilitate
silver
the
goes
winners,
to
the
Riddhi
chief
Rani
guest
of
of the
Bedi
day,
International
Honorable
School, and the gold goes to Suhani
Regional Sports
Kapoor of
Officer
Madras
Bareilly
India
and our
Public School.
respected manager sir have arrived. We can see the gleaming faces of the participants who
Bahar
have
Raza,
made their
Royal-
way
Royal
to the
School,
final win.
gold medal.
They first entered school
Amar
arm
Hussain,
wrestling
Sabri Public
championship
School, silver medal.
2025.
Rudra Raj, Madras India Public School, bronze medal.
All the winners are happy and excited after winning the medals. We can see the gleaming faces of the participants who have made their way to final win in the first Inter-School Arm Wrestling Championship 2025. All the winners are happy and excited after winning the medals.
Competitions groom our personality and prepare us for the future. Cognitive skills are developed through CCA activities, so they are definitely become a significant part of CBSE education. So, inter-house Doha recitation competition and extempore competition for classes 9th and 12th was organized in the school. Extempore competition, a well-populous competition which is very informative in nature, tests our skills and prompt preparation, education and communication skills, and also improves our personality.
Vice Principal
Mother
ma'am,
is the shadow
teachers,
of God on
and
earth.
my dear friends.
Mother's love
Today,
is matchless
I,
with its
Vishesh Goyal,
blessing.
a student of
Her
class
lap
8,
is the most
feel elated
comfortable
to be a
place on the
part
earth.
of the special
Her hug
assembly
is the most
held to mark the
pain
celebrations
relieving
of a very
medicine.
special
Maa
day
ka aanchal
for someone
is the
even more
safest
special,
place in the heaven.
and that is
So to
none other
portray
but
this pious
our
bond, a special assembly was
Mother's Day is
celebrated,
celebrated
and
on
the
the second Sunday
emotions
of May.
and spirituality
This
of the
day
moment
is in
knew
honor
no
of
bounds.
mothers and is
To formally start the celebration, Honorable Principal Ma'am lightened the lamp of knowledge and wisdom and offered floral tributes to the Ma Saraswati. One could feel the goosebumps. This pious bond was put forth in the form of a small dance drama by the students. The sweetness, the love, the bond, emotions, ecstasy, peace, bestest of best emotions all live up when we talk about a mother's love. One could feel the goosebumps. This pious bond was put forth in the form of a small dance by the students. The sweetness, the love, the bond, emotions, ecstasy, peace, bestest of the best emotions all live up when we talk about mother's love. Students of classes 8th and 9th depicted a mesmerizing dance performance to portray the strongest bond of nature. Look at the little toddlers also performing and paying their tribute to their mothers. They may be small, but their love for their mothers is really huge. Look at the little performance of
So here
this is the last program of the week where you can all see that the school is set to host the last day of the week is here, and we are all set to celebrate the event of Mother's Day. As you can all see that the parents have gathered here, mothers have gathered here, and this program is an honor to motherhood, to every mother for her sacrifice and love to her parents. As you can all see that many games are lined up over here, and this is a very interesting game going on, Spin of Fortune or the Spin of Wheel. So, the lucky one getting a very interesting prize. And you can see that she is delighted to receive the gift, and many more to come up. As you can see, many games are lined up over here, and this is the spin wheel. This is a game of fortune. You can see your mother spinning the wheel and winning the gift.
Here we can see Managing Director ma'am felicitating the winners of the game, the lucky game. All the mothers are very happy to receive the prizes.
and the second prize goes to Meenakshi ma'am.
They're getting beautiful prizes.
As you can all see, Mrs. Dani Agarwal, our guest of honor, is being felicitated by our Honorable MD ma'am.
I would now request ma'am to
Senior
please share
Junior
her
Designer,
thoughts with
Bareilly.
us on this memorable day.
And here we have Mrs. Agarwal sharing her thoughts on this prestigious occasion. We are
Good morning, all the beautiful mothers.
to have her
I
on
really
the
feel
stage.
happy and honored to come here. सूत्र एक अच्छी माँ
We
का
have
ये
our guest of honor, Mrs.
घर का माहौल भी एक माँ के
Senior
ऊपर
Indian
होता है,
designer,
बेटी के ऊपर होता है कि वो घर के
Bareilly.
माहौल को भी अच्छा
We are
रखे।
truly honored to have
देखिए
you on
मैं
this
भी
great
वर्किंग मदर
occasion.
हूँ, बट आज भी हमारी माँ का
So you
रोल
can all see
बहुआयामी
we
माँ का
have
रोल है
on
और
stage Miss
बस सब कुछ
Dani
पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग से
Agarwal,
होता है।
Senior Interior
अच्छा सोचिए,
Designer, Bareilly.
जैसा आप
Who is
सोचेंगी
sharing her
वैसे ही
thoughts
बनती
on this
चली जाएगी।
prestigious
So
occasion
work on your
of Mother
thoughts.
Day. What a
Physical से
pleasure
ज़्यादा
to hear
mental
her
work
on
करिए।
the stage.
इसी आशा के साथ सब
Malik is the president of Choti Si Asha, a renowned NGO dedicated to uplifting the underprivileged and bringing meaningful change to society.
Choti Si Asha.
Under her visionary leadership, the organization has flourished, empowering over 160 active women members and launching